Hello, my name is Hediye Mamak and I am a second year student studying in architecture. And today I am going to talk about one of the projects I completed. In this year, during my Design 2 class, I was asked to design a museum in Central Park and I was inspired by the nature of the Central Park. That's why the concept of my project was combining the structure of the butterfly and the dragonfly. I want to explain all the steps I took during the process of my design. The first step was studying on the site. That's why I went to Central Park couple of times. During my visits, I figured several locations of the Central Park were very important to my projects. That's why I tried to create a bridge between those points. Those points were the arch, bridge, water, and the rock. The museum is gonna have 2 floors. The first floor has several entrances, but the second floor has only one entrance. Now I want to show some of the models I was able to make at the beginning of the process. This is the one of the small scale of the projects. As we can see, this is the part of the rock and that's the pathways. Now I'm going to show the second model I made. This model is bigger than the first one. In this model, we will be able to see the bigger scale of the water, rock, the arch, and the bridge. And all my projects are going to have right in here. This way, I will have connections between 4 different locations. For the rest of the process of this project, I'm going to show technical drawings, sections, and some renderings. This way, I will be able to explain what was the next step I took after the concept and the program. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it.